This is a piece of yarrow, white yarrow that I got the same day I got the white pine root. It's obviously too green yet, but I've been trying to force dry it by trying to spin coals. I'm just going to try it again and see if I can't get this combination to work here while it's still green. I'm too impatient to wait for it to dry. This is supposed to be really good, according to Storm's work. Yarrow, I don't know if it's the same type of yarrow, but his information says it. You do it without even a notch. Smell the green. Smoking. It's trying to burn. Took a little bit. This is white yarrow and white pine root. This is still, of course, green. On its way to drying, but I couldn't wait any longer. Got impatient, got excited about getting a new piece of material to use and how to use it. Thanks, later out.